Okay, number 48 in your classwork for quadratic equations asks you to solve each quadratic by graphing. So by solve, we mean to find the X intercepts. And so this means that we're going to have to plug in different X values and make a table of values between X and Y in order to produce our graph and try to find these X-intercepts. So we can start off with something like X equals -2, then -1, then 0. So let's plug it in. So we'll have Y equals -2 squared plus 6 times -2 plus 8. So we'll have 4, then minus 12 plus 8 equals 0. So at x equals 2, -2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2. At x equals -2, we'll have y equals 0. So this means we already found one of our x-intercepts, which is good. Let's go ahead and try to find another one. So let's continue on in the negative direction. We'll try values of -3, -4. So going through our list, right? At x equals -1. We have y equals -1 squared plus 6 times -1 plus 8. So we'll have 1 minus 6 plus 8. This equals 3. So at x equals -1, we have 1, 2, 3. And then at 0, which is our y-intercept, it'll be 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 8 right here. And so we're getting this general pattern like this. So this means our vertex and will occur somewhere on this side, right? Somewhere here. So let's go ahead and keep going in the negative x direction. So we have at x equals -3. We'll have -3 squared plus 6 times -3 plus 8. This gives us 9 minus 18 plus 8 is equal to -1. So that's a -1. And then at y equals, or actually x equals -4, we have -4 squared plus 6 times -4 plus 8. So we'll have 16 minus 24 plus 8, which also gives us a 0. So this is our second x-intercept. So our axis of symmetry will occur at the average between this intercept and this intercept. So that'll be -3. So our axis of symmetry is at -3. And -3, we found the value to be equal to -1. And so our parabola is almost complete. So our graph will look something like this. And continue on. And so by solving, we found the x-intercepts. And so the two x-intercepts are at x equals -4 and -2.